Paano ba natin i-compute yung passive income natin? Lahat naman tayo gusto natin darating yung point na yung pera na ang nagtatrabaho for us instead of us working for money. But the question is, how do we even know if we are closer to our goal? Yung first natin na kailangan malaman is magkano ba yung desired monthly income mo? Example lang, 20,000 pesos per month. I-convert muna natin yung 20,000 natin into annual conversion. 20,000, you multiply it by 12 kasi there are 12 months in 1 year, then meron tayong 240,000 na yearly income goal. We need to know ano yung investment na papasukin mo. It may be stock market, REITs, business, bonds, Pag-ibig MP2, real estate, mutual funds, or whatsoever. In this particular example, yung gagamitin natin is Pag-ibig MP2. Kasi tax-free siya, mataas yung kanyang binibigay na dividend rate sa mga contributors natin. As of this recording, yung dividend yield ng Pag-ibig MP2 is 7.12%. That is really high compared to like the savings that you get from the bank. It can also be other dividend yield tulad ng mga REITs and dividend stocks. So yung next step natin is to determine the capitalization. And how do we do that? Yung annual mo na desired income, in this particular case, 240,000 pesos, i-divide lang natin siya ng 7.12%. Yung total capitalization natin ay aabot siya ng 3.4 million pesos. So now that you know this formula, ang tanong, magkano ba yung monthly desired income ninyo? Let me know your answers in the comment section.